Let's get down to business about leveraging student interest in your lessons. This is where the real magic happens in education. It's about taking what they're passionate about and weaving it into your curriculum. Say you're teaching French and you've got a bunch of students who are into soccer. Boom! Create a lesson where they learn sports vocabulary through the lens of their favorite teams and players. Have them create player profiles in French, discuss game strategies, or even organize a mini soccer tournament with French commentary. This approach isn't just about making lessons more enjoyable, it's about making them relevant. When students see their interest reflected in their learning, engagement skyrockets. Now, let's talk strategy. Start with interest surveys. At the beginning of the term, have your students fill out a survey about their hobbies, favorite books, movies, or anything they're passionate about. Use this goldmine of information to tailor your lesson plans. If you're teaching history and a good chunk of your class is into video games, why not explore historical events that inspired some popular games? Or if you're teaching science and your students are fascinated by cooking, bring in the science of baking, discuss chemical reactions, measurements, and so on. The key here is to listen and adapt. Your lesson plan isn't just a document, it's a living, breathing roadmap that should evolve with your students' interests. To wrap it up, leveraging student interest in your lessons is about making learning deeply personal and incredibly engaging. It's about bridging the gap between classroom and the real world. And hey, when you nail this, make sure you share it. Post a video or a photo of your students engaged in an interest-based lesson and tag it with student-centered learning, engaging education, and passion-driven classroom. Let's spread the word about how tuning into student interest can turn a typical classroom into a hub of enthusiastic learning. And if you haven't taken our CI Proficiency quiz yet, what are you waiting for? Take it now at mm.us/CI quiz. Happy comprehensible input.